In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in PayPal. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're not very familiar with PayPal, you'll be able to follow along easily. The idea here is to help you quickly confirm whether an invoice has been paid and see how PayPal reflects that status inside your account. First, start by logging into your PayPal account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a navigation panel with several options. Find the one labeled Activity. This section is essentially the history of everything that's been happening in your account, including payments, invoices, and transfers. Click on Activity to expand it, and then select All Transactions. This tells PayPal that you want to see the complete list of activity, not just recent or filtered items. After you click All Transactions, PayPal will show you a list of everything that has gone through your account over a given period. This list can be long, so take your time. You can scroll through the page or use the search bar or filters at the top if you know specific details, such as the customer's name, the invoice number, or the date. Once you've found the invoice you're interested in, go ahead and click directly on that invoice entry. This will open a detailed view. In this view, you'll see all of the information related to that invoice, such as the amount, the date it was issued, who it was sent to, and the payment method. Now, here is the key part. Look at the summary section of the invoice details. If the invoice has already been paid by your customer, PayPal will automatically mark it as paid for you. You don't need to manually change the status. You should see a clear indication that the invoice is paid, often highlighted near the top of the invoice summary. This automatic update helps ensure that your records stay accurate without any extra work on your end. If you don't see a paid status, that usually means the invoice is still pending or unpaid. In that case, you can use the same screen to review the details and follow up with your customer if needed. And that's all there is to it. By using the activity section and opening the specific invoice, you can quickly confirm whether PayPal has marked it as paid.